These today, local repair, or well, not repair, the local recycle place had one, and he just passed it on to me to have a look at, and so I'm going to pull it apart. So let's get to it. So these are a Chinese battery. This is what it's on. I'll have to look it up later, but I think they're just Chinese batteries. It's been a replacement unit for a DL1520. Its capacity says it's totally 520, so I'm thinking, not sure what this will be, about 1800, maybe 2000 if I'm lucky. We're going to give them a try, and I'll get back to you with the results. Okay, catch you on the next one, or catch you when the results are in. Just started to test these batteries. I'll take overnight and we'll have a look at them in the morning, but that's what's happening with them at the moment. They all came up to 4.14, I believe. One came up to 4.17, and they're a Chinese battery. So yeah, if you can make it out, you might see 1650. I don't know what that is, but anyway, yeah, we'll keep working on it. See you on the next bit. I haven't got down here because it's been so hot. This is the final voltages off these Chinese batteries. Now, they're not really great. They did come out of a replacement machine for a laptop, I mean. But yeah, they're DOK5. They're okay. Joe 2AA22234. Yes, I don't know what it's all about, but they'll be going into the other pile. Anyway, that's going to be disconnected, so I save a bit of power there and cool it down because it's so hot here. And then I've got to come over here and I've got to finish doing my replacement battery for my 4000, which I used a different sort of, I bought these off eBay, so I don't know why this lost the power that it should have in it. Not sure why it's shorted out, but we'll work out, put it on this and see what the go is. The other thing I've done is pretty much these ones here. So yeah, they're these two are pretty good. They're Panasonics, of course, they're going to be good. The other one, not so good. So that's going in there into the pile. They're okay for small projects. So if anyone's after batteries and they're in Victoria and they want some batteries for things, they've got a couple of bucks, they can buy mine. These are all long. These ones over here are laptop, and these ones here are Sony out of power tools, and they've got fast discharge, so they should be all right. Anyway, that's it from me. Catch you on the next one.